one by first I will read and then all of you can read one by one. Okay. Just let me tell you the sequence first. I will see the number of students. Okay. First Hussein, you can read, then Nagha, then Ashwin, Jitesh, and then Vikas. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Read. Shankha,
Shankha,
Shakha,
Shankha.
Shankha,
Next. Who is the next one?
you want me to read the third sentence?
No.
First one.
Read this one only. You have to repeat after me.
Shankha,
Shankha.
Shankha,
Okay. Next one.
Shankha,
Shankha.
Shankha,
Shankha.
Okay. Shankha means class begins. Like whenever we have to start the class, the teacher can say Shankha. Okay. The class is big. Okay.
Over here means the class, right?
Yeah, Kha is the class and
Yes.
Shang is something like in this way we use whenever something is starting.
Starting.
Okay, so Shankha class is starting.
Okay.
Okay. For second one, Shakha.
Shakha,
Next one.
Shakha,
Next.
Shakha,
Next.
Shakha,
Shakha,
Shakha. Shakha means classes over. Basically the opposite of Shankha. Okay.
Shankha.
Classes beginning here, classes ending here. Okay. Now, next one. Xianzai.
Xin Zai,
Xianzai.
Xian Zai,
Next.
Xin Zai,
Shinjai,
Shinzai,
Shinjai,
Xianzai. Then this is Xiu Shi.
Xiu Shi, Xiu Shi Tai, Xiu Shi,
Xiu Shi.
Yushi,
Xianzai is right now or now. Okay. Xiu Shi. Xianzai is now. Xiu Shi take a Xiu Shi is to rest. Aram karna in that way. Okay. Xianzai Xiu Shi means take a rest now or take a break now. Okay. Like whenever we have this break in the in the beginning of in the middle of our class, right? So at that time I can say Shen Zai Shi Shi. Okay, we can take a break now. Okay, then we have Khan Hei Pan.
Han He Ban,
Khan He Ban,
Khan Hei Pan.
Kan, Hey, Ban,
Ban,
We will read one each character one time. Okay, see Khan,
Han,
Han,
Khan, then Hei,
Han, Pan,
Hei,
Hey,
He,
Hey,
Pan,
Ban,
Ban,
Pan,
not Ban, B is
Pan,
Pa.
Pan,
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 Khan,
Hai,
Hei,
Pan,
Pan,
Han
Kan,
He
Hey,
Ban,
Ban,
Pan,
Han He
Khan, Hei, Pan. Okay.
Pan, Hai, Pan,
Hei, Pan is blackboard.
Blackboard.
Okay. Khan is to look. Okay. So Khan, Hei, Pan, look at the blackboard. Okay. Next one. Kan,
Kan,
Kan, Kan,
Kan,
Kan,
Kan,
Kan,
Kan,
Wo,
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 Tu,
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 Kan, Wo, Tu,
Kan,
Kan,
Wo,
Wo, Tu,
Kan Wo,
Kan, Wo, Tu.
Kan
Kan, Wo, Tu,
Wo, Tu,
Okay. Kan is with.
with,
Wo is I or me. Okay. Then to is to read. So it is read with me. Okay. Read with me or like read after me also. Like we say repeat in that way. Okay. Kan wo tu. Read with me. Okay. Okay. So there now for writing characters, we have strokes in Chinese. See here, this is yi. Okay. Yi. Yi is number one. Okay. Like the number one. Y is one. Okay. Yi. Yi is the pinyin. And this is the character. This character. Okay. So this is like stroke. One stroke. If I write this again, this is two stroke. Okay. This is three stroke. Stroke can be like this also, this also, this also. Okay, like this. This is basically, see, yi number one is like this, one stroke. Okay. Number two is this. This has two stroke. Okay. This is shru. Shru. Sh and ra. Okay. This ra sound just a little longer. Shru. 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 Shru is number 10. Okay. This has two tones. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Two strokes. Then comb. Okay. These are all the characters. These are the pinyin. These are the meaning. Okay. These are strokes. This is a stroke. The name of the stroke is hung. Okay. This is the shoe stroke. Okay. This is PA stroke. This is PN stroke. Na stroke. Okay. This is this bottom door. Okay. So these are just the name of the strokes. These are not generally important. This just you should know that what is the name of the stroke. Just for general reading. Okay. See. These are the components. See, or basically the strokes you can say. E has one stroke, right? One stroke. Then R number 2 is of two stroke. Stroke are basically जब हम जैसे एक बारी पेंसिल उठनी भी है सिंगल स्ट्रोक राइट जब हमारी पेंसिल उठ जाएगी एक बार दो बार तो ये दो स्ट्रोक हो जाएंगे ओके वन स्ट्रोक टू स्ट्रोक देन number 3 is E is number 1 R is number 2 then San this is San Indian this is number 3 okay this is 1 2 3 stroke okay 3 stroke Sh number 10 this is
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है किन्हीं का फोन बज रहा है थोड़ा सा साइलेंट करवा दीजिए
नहीं किसी कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है
कोई भी नहीं आ रही
नहीं आ रही ना
Ma'am, these strokes have to be in the length of the strokes have to be in increasing order.
length in
Length
which
of the
one
strokes.
of San
Yes, yes.
no this is like see here this one it is not increasing the first and two are almost same and the third one is a little longer
Okay.
Is there any significance of that?
significance in what way you are asking
Of the length?
yes see you should write the character like in the stroke order see that was I was telling next there are some stroke order like first you will write this only you can't start from this
Okay.
you have to write this then this, and then this. See, one, then this one, then this one. They have written this in the stroke order. See, first we will write this, then the bottom one, then the
Last one.
last one, right? First one, middle one, and the last one. Okay, that's the order. 1, then 2, then 3. Okay.
Yep.
Only we have to write in the specific order. Only then we can match the character. If we start from this, it can look same, but like they prefer writing in strokes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then for 10, the stroke order is like first this and then this. And how many strokes are there? How many strokes? 1 and
2.
2. Okay. And the order is first you have to write this, then this. Okay. These are the orders which they have written here. Okay. Then pa is number 8.
8.
How many strokes? 1 and
2.
2. Stroke order is like first this one, then this one. Okay.
No.
Then last example, it is number 6, which is Liu.
Liu.
Liu has how many strokes? See, 1, then 2, then 3,
3.
then
4.
4. Okay, 4 strokes. And the order is first this, then this, then this, then this. Okay.
Okay.
So these were everything about the stroke and the stroke orders. Okay.